Hi, all of you. In today's session, we are going to discuss how to access Linux command prompt from the Windows system. Actually, we have a Linux server. We have to manage Linux server from the SSH. So, from the Windows, we have to connect to the Linux SSH. How we can connect Linux SSH from Windows 10? So, that's what our target. So, for that, we have a PuTTY. Actually, PuTTY is a telnet client developed to connect SSH prompt from Windows OS. So first you have to download PuTTY. Just you have to search PuTTY. You will see putty.org file, org website. Inside the org website, you can download PuTTY for Windows. You can download that. It's just an exe file like other Windows. So based on your 32 or 64-bit, you can download it. PuTTY installer. It's downloaded. After double clicking, you have to install that PuTTY in your Windows system. So after you install, I already installed in my system. If you search PuTTY from your search bar, you will get. So this is actually PuTTY configuration window. There we have to give hostname or IP address. Actually, hostname is the domain name or the IP address of the server. You have to type here the Linux server IP address or the hostname. So if you are having private key, if you go to the SSH, you can give authentication section is there. There you can upload your own private key. If you don't have private key, you can use your username password. So I'm not using private key here. Here I have to add my server IP. This is actually my server IP. I have to paste here. Only IP I have to use. So that's all. The port is actually 22. Then SSH connection type. Here we have telnet and other connection also. We have to choose SSH. Actually default is SSH only, so you don't no need to change anything. After that you have to open. Wow, it automatically opened a prompt window. This is actually that server prompt window. See the IP address of the server plus PuTTY. So this PuTTY is connected to that server. So you have to give the credentials. So if you know the root credential, when you are creating the Linux server, you'll get the root username, right? Your root username and password, or if you having any other username, you can give. I have different username. I'm giving my own username, and it will ask for the password. I have to give password. Wow, it's login, right? So now you are inside the Linux server command prompt. So if you want to go to the inside the root, you have to use sudo su. Actually, I'm using CentOS 7 server, so you have to use su minus. So it will ask for password. You have to add that root user password. Then it will automatically take you to the root user. You having the full credentials. So now you can install your own software. You can manage your server. You can upgrade your server. You can install any software if you want, like Python, PHP or something you need to install MySQL, everything you can install from this command prompt. Hope this help you. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment sections. So thank you for listening. Bye bye.